Hey pirates, this is Peachy Bootstraps and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys something different. I'm not going to have a Unity tutorial, but instead I'm going to show you guys this game I made many years ago, but I only recently published it. So it's a game called Jumping Giant, where pretty much you're a giant. Well, not really, but you're a giant and you run across the screen. It's an infinite runner style game, and you jump over pirates. And if you touch one of the pirates, then you'll die. This was one of the first games I've made when I started programming. So there's a beta right here. Then there's a full version, which I published a month ago. So the full game came out pretty much a month ago, but I actually started making it in 7th grade. A long time ago. There's music for this game, just one song, which is the main theme. I'll let you guys listen to it. I wasn't the one who made this song. The person who made it is in the credits of the game. Guys, I really encourage you to try and play this game and give me feedback. And if you want anything else added to it, then just ask, and I might make more updates if you guys like this game. As you can see, it's got 2 ratings. The average is 4.5 stars out of 5 stars. So that's pretty good, but it's only 2 ratings. I think the game's good though, for my first time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.